Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we are going for a drive out in the JCW. It is actually currently raining and you can see snow on the roof still a bit and ice on the ground. So the weather is probably the worst it's ever been for a POV drive. We haven't done one of these in absolutely ages, so I thought why not let's go out, go for a drive, and before the ice and snow goes we'll see what temperature it is. That is so loud. Without further ado, put it into drive, handbrake off. Let's let the car warm up and let's go for a drive. 3.5 degrees, so the ice should, like, most of it should be gone, especially with this rain, but obviously we'll still drive very safely just in case. I'm not sure, I can't remember if on this car I actually have sport dials or not. I do have sport displays. Oh, I didn't know I had that. I've never used that before. Oh look, it's got loads of slush on the road and snow on the sides. This road is pretty treacherous. But if you don't know already, this is my mini John Cooper Works. It has had a resonator delete, which is why, well, a lot of slush on the road right here. But yeah, as I was saying, it has a resonator delete, which is why it is a bit louder than normal, which is why that cold start was so loud. So yeah, we should get some very loud pops and bangs out of this in a second. God, it's really snowy over here. And yeah, the car is just about warmed up, so we'll put it in manual mode. But go on the paddles. I love the paddles. I use the paddles like 90% of the time. I've also got the back seats down because that makes the noise louder. Oh, there's a car here. We're gonna have to go onto the slush. This car does not, I cannot help it, but when I listen to this car and it just makes noises, I cannot help but smile. Like, that is so, oh my god, I love this car so much. Like, oh, this thing is loud and the roads are awfully bumpy. It is also quick, this car. Now in these conditions over the past few days, I have been noticing the front wheel drive wheel spinning a lot, and in conditions like this is really where you want four-wheel drive. I was actually behind a GR Yaris one day and that thing was probably the perfect car for conditions like this, because I could not keep up with it at all. Out of a roundabout, that thing had so much traction and was gone. Where I was wheel spinning, I was all over the place. So that thing blew me out of the park. Gonna go down here, wherever here is. I love the rumble this thing has. Like, even just doing that, going through the gears, it's such a nice, just sounds nice. And if you don't like the pops, you can turn it off. See? Now there's no pops, and that is nice, because I know not everyone loves the pops and bangs, but the only thing with doing that is that it's now not in sport mode, and I'm not sure if we get as many farts from the gear changes. I hope you do, because I like them a lot. Oh, that was a big pothole. I did not see that out of this one. We're going to go back into sport and put the windows down a little bit. around a bit more. A lot more wind comes in, annoyingly. Oh my god, them pops are so loud. I hope they're coming across on camera. Like, Jesus. Oh, I love this car. Whoa, it's a bit squirmish. Whoa. Didn't want to bite then. The traction was all over the place. Got a lot of torque steer then. Actually, talking of traction, let's turn it off. Let's turn traction all the way off. There we go. Whoa. Again, no traction in first gear at all. Around these country lane corners. Power out. Whoa, lots of water. It's like a stream on the road. Oh my god. Did you see the steering then? That was not me. That genuinely just like, that was pulling me around. The torque steer then, jeez. Wow, that was a wheel spin. Shush, what you barking at? You won't stand a chance against no Mini. I'll take him in a quarter mile. About to do some dual carriageway action after this Vauxhall. I love that in second gear. Alright, let's pull out. Show him who's boss. Got a car and an exhaust, put your rear seats down, you will never look back if you want a bit more noise. It is a strategy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, I certainly enjoyed making this video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe down below, and yeah, comment down below what other videos you want to see me do with the Mini, if you have any in mind. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.